Welcome to the IELTS Time podcast. I'm Ida, and today I will be discussing a Part 1 topic. Today's topic is daily routine. We will try to discuss 10 question and answer about daily routine. First, let's listen to the dialogue, pause the video, and repeat after me. Okay, let's enjoy. What is your daily routine like?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., and then I freshen up quickly. After that, I do some light exercise for 15 minutes. At around 7 a.m., I eat a healthy breakfast. Then, I study for a couple of hours, or attend my online classes. I usually take a short break at 10 a.m., and enjoy a cup of tea. Around noon, I have lunch with my family. In the afternoon, I focus on assignments and reading. In the evening, I go for a walk, or meet my friends. I eat dinner by 8 p.m., and relax by watching TV, or reading a book. Finally, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m., to get enough rest.
Do you usually follow the same routine every day?
Yes, most days I follow a similar routine, especially on weekdays. I believe having a routine helps me stay organized and focused. It also saves time, and reduces unnecessary stress. However, sometimes unexpected events can change my schedule. For example, if I have a family gathering or doctor's appointment, I adjust my day accordingly. On weekends, I sleep a bit longer and relax more. I may go out with friends or watch a movie in the evening, but I always try to stick to my study schedule. A stable routine gives my life balance and clarity. Without a routine, I feel unproductive and distracted.
What is the busiest part of your day?
The busiest part of my day is usually the morning. From the moment I wake up, I have many things to do. I have to get ready, eat breakfast, and prepare for my classes. Sometimes, I also help my family with household chores. I try to manage my time efficiently, but mornings always feel rushed. Between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m., I have back-to-back lectures or assignments. I need to stay focused and avoid distractions. If I miss anything during this time, it affects my whole day. That's why I plan my mornings carefully, the night before. Despite the pressure, I enjoy being productive early in the day.
How do you plan your day?
I usually plan my day the night before going to bed. I make a to-do list of important tasks and set time blocks. This helps me stay focused and avoid wasting time. I also prioritize tasks based on deadlines or urgency. In the morning, I review my plan once again. Sometimes, I use a planner or a mobile app to organize everything. I leave some space for unexpected events too. If something doesn't go as planned, I try not to stress. Flexibility is also important while sticking to a schedule. Good planning makes my day smoother and more productive.
Do you prefer a busy or a relaxed daily routine?
I prefer a balanced routine, not too busy or too relaxed. Staying busy keeps me motivated and focused, but if I get too busy, I start feeling overwhelmed. That's why I include short breaks in my schedule. A relaxed routine, on the other hand, makes me lazy, so I try to strike a balance between work and rest. For example, I study in the morning and relax in the evening. This way, I stay productive without getting tired. Mental and physical health are both important to me. A balanced routine helps me maintain a healthy lifestyle.
What part of your day do you enjoy most?
I enjoy the early morning the most because it's peaceful and quiet. The air feels fresh, and there's very little noise outside. I usually take some time to stretch, breathe deeply, and plan my day. Sometimes, I sit with a cup of tea and watch the sunrise. It helps me feel calm and centered before the day begins. This time of day gives me space to think and reflect. Also, my mind is sharp in the morning, so I get more done. I read, write, or review my study notes at that time. Spending the morning mindfully sets a positive tone for the day. That's why it's my favorite part of the day.
Do you think routines are important?
Yes, I strongly believe routines are very important in life. They bring structure, discipline, and a sense of direction. With a routine, I don't waste time deciding what to do next. It makes my day more productive and less stressful. Routines help in building good habits over time. For example, waking up early and exercising regularly. Also, a routine helps me balance work, study, and relaxation. Without a routine, I often feel lost or anxious. While some flexibility is needed, a routine keeps me grounded. So yes, routines play a big role in staying organized and healthy.
Has your daily routine changed recently?
Yes, my routine has changed a little since I started university. Earlier, I had more free time and less pressure. Now, my mornings start earlier, and I follow a stricter schedule. I have to attend classes, finish assignments, and study daily. Also, I have added exercise and meditation to my routine. This helps me stay focused and manage stress better. In the evening, I spend less time on social media. Instead, I use that time to read or improve my skills. Though it was hard at first, now I enjoy this disciplined routine. It makes me feel more responsible and confident.
Do you think it's important to have free time in your day?
Absolutely, I think having free time is very important. It gives the mind and body a chance to relax and recharge. Without free time, life becomes stressful and monotonous. I usually take small breaks between tasks to clear my mind. In my free time, I read, listen to music, or go for a walk. These simple activities refresh me and boost my mood. Free time also allows me to connect with friends and family. It helps build stronger relationships and emotional health. Even 30 minutes of rest can improve focus and energy. So yes, free time is essential for a happy and balanced life.
What would you like to change in your daily routine?
I would like to reduce the amount of time I spend on my phone. Sometimes, I waste hours scrolling through social media. It affects my focus and takes away time from useful things. Instead, I want to read more books and learn new skills. Also, I want to wake up 30 minutes earlier to exercise. This will make my mornings more energetic and productive. Another thing is to spend more quality time with family. Often, I get too busy with studies and forget to connect. Small changes like these can make a big difference. I'm already working on these improvements, step by step.
That's all for today's video. We are trying to help you improve your IELTS speaking by discussing different topics. On this channel, we upload new videos every day covering IELTS Speaking Part 1. So, stay with us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.